Nursing Academy presents top 10 most important multiple choice questions of Mosby's Foundation of Nursing Practice, question number 1 to 10 for all nursing exams, AIMS, PGMER, RPSC, RUHS, BHU, BFHS, ESIC. Our email ID is nursingacademy07@gmail.com. Our Facebook page is Nursing Academy Success और YouTube चैनल नेम इज नर्सिंग एकेडमी। इन मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखिए तथा बेल आइकन एंड सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना है। वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज A nurse is caring for a client who has paraplegia as a result of spinal cord injury. Which rehabilitation plan will be the most effective for this client? एक स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी के कारण एक पेशेंट को पैराप्लेजिया हो गया, पूरा बॉडी पैरालिसिस हो गया, उसके लिए मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट या मोस्ट इफेक्टिव रिहेबिलिटेशन प्लान कौन सा होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, अरेंजमेंट विल बी मेड बाय क्लाइंट एंड द क्लाइंट्स फैमिली। ऑप्शन नंबर 2, द प्लान इज formulated and implemented early in the client's care. Option number 3, the rehabilitation is minimal and short term because the client will return to the formal activities. Option number 4, arrangement will be made for long term care because the client is no longer capable of self care. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 2. Rational. To promote optimal and facilitate smooth functioning, rehabilitation planning should begin on admission to the hospital. The client and family often are unaware of the options available in healthcare system. The nurse should be available to provide the necessary information and support. Rehabilitation helps a client adjust to a new lifestyle that must compensate for the paralysis. The goal of rehabilitation is to foster independence whenever the client may lie after discharge. To solve this question, we understand the meaning of rehabilitation and when they start the rehabilitation. The meaning of rehabilitation means they improve the optimal capacity of the patient, and the rehabilitation will start at the time of admission at the hospital. Question number 2. What is the basic concept associated with rehabilitation that the nurse should consider when formulating discharge plan for the client? पेशेंट का डिस्चार्ज प्लान फॉर्मुलेट करने के लिए कौन सा बेसिक कंसेप्ट नर्स कंसीडर करेंगे? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, रिहेबिलिटेशन नीड आर बेस्ड मीट बाय द क्लाइंट फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेज। ऑप्शन नंबर 2, रिहेबिलिटेशन इज ए स्पेशलिटी एरिया with unique method for meeting clients' need. Option number 3, immediate or potential rehabilitation need are exhibited by client with family problems. Option number 4, client who are returning to the usual activity following hospitalization don't require rehabilitation. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 3. Rational. Rehabilitation refer to a process that assists client to obtain optimal functioning. Care should be initiated. Care should be initiated immediately when a health problem exists to avoid complication and facilitate recuperation. All resources that can be beneficial to the client rehabilitation, including the private healthcare provider and acute care facilities, should be utilized. Rehabilitation is a commonality in all areas of nursing practice. Rehabilitation is necessary to help clients return to a previous or optimal level of functioning. That means the meaning of rehabilitation is obtain optimal functioning, and it should be started at the time of injury or time of problem, and provided included in all nursing practices. Question number 3. A nurse is teaching a client how to use call bell system. Which level of Maslow hierarchy of needs does this nursing action address? This question is important. एक नर्स पेशेंट को कॉल बेल सिस्टम के बारे में टीच कर रही है। इस एक्शन को एड्रेस करने के लिए मास्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड्स का कौन सा लेवल इंक्लूड होगा या कौन सा लेवल के अंदर आएगा? First, safety. Second, self-esteem. Third, psychological. Fourth, interpersonal. Guess the right answer. Right answer is the option number first, safety. Rational. A call bill system enables the client to communicate with the staff and support safety and security, which is second level need. Self-esteem involves interpersonal need with fourth level of basic needs. Psychological need include air, food, water, represent the first level of need. Interpersonal need involve love and belonging, which the third level of need. To solve this question, we should understand the Maslow hierarchy of needs. This one consists 5 levels. First, level 1, second level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5. 1, 2. First one is consists the basic need of human being. This one is the air, food and water. Second one is the safety and security. This one, safety and security. Third one is interpersonal need. This one, love and belonging. Fourth one is self-esteem. Fourth one is self-esteem. And 5 is self-actualization. That this one is not considered in this option. तो Maslow hierarchy of psychological need, first है physiological need, second safety and security, third interpersonal need, love and belonging, fourth self-esteem, interpersonal need, fifth self-actualization, that is highest level of need, and first level of need, this one is the air, food, water. Psychological need, highest level of need, self-actualization. Question number 4. A nurse is supportive of a child receiving long-term rehabilitation in the home rather than in healthcare facility. Why in living with the family so important to a child emotional development? एक चाइल्ड है, बच्चा है जिसको रिहेबिलिटेशन केयर देना है, तो उसको हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी में नहीं रख के फैमिली के पास रखना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है साइकोलॉजिकल इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चाइल्ड के लिए. क्यों? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, it provide reward and punishment. Option number 2, the child development is supported. Option number 3, it reflects the more of a larger society. Option number 4, the child's identity and role are learned. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 4. Rational. A socialization value and role definition are learned within the family and help develop a sense of self. One established in the family, the child can more easily move into society. Option number 1, 2 and 3, although important, it is just one aspect of family influence. It is not as important as identity and role in relation to emotional development. But चाइल्ड के लिए सोशलाइजेशन वैल्यू एंड रोल डेफिनेशन को सीखने के लिए फैमिली इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इन द फैमिली ही इज डेवलप ए सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ए नर्स इज डिस्कसिंग एल्कोहलिक एनोनिमस with a client. What behavior expected of members of Alcohol Anonymous should the nurse include the discussion? कौन सा behavior include करेगी Alcohol Anonymous या जो पेशेंट एल्कोहल का आदी हो चुका उसके साथ डिस्कशन करने के लिए? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, स्पीकिंग अलाउड एट वीकली मीटिंग. ऑप्शन नंबर 2, proposing to attend at least 12 meeting yearly. Option number 3, maintaining controlled drinking after 6 months. Option number 4, acknowledging an inability to control the problem. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 4. Rationally, a major premises of Alcohol Anonymous is that to be successful is achieving sobriety, संयम. Clients with alcohol abuse problem must acknowledge their inability to control their drinking. जो पेशेंट एल्कोहल का आदी है उसका मेन हमें उसके संयम पे फोकस करना है, उसको ये एक्नोलेज करवाना है कि ही इज इनेबल टू कंट्रोल द ड्रिंकिंग. They option number 1 is saying there are no rules about speaking and meeting, although members are strongly encouraged to do so. Option number 2, there are no rules of attendance at meeting, although members are strongly encouraged to attend as often as possible. Option number 3 is saying there is no part of alcoholism. The group strongly support total absence for life. Question number 6. A nurse discuss the philosophy of Alcoholics Anonymous with the client who has history of alcoholism. What need must self-help group such as Alcohol Anonymous meet to be successful? एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के अंदर अल्कोहल के आधे पेशेंट को डिस्कस करना है तो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट कौन सा रहेगा? फर्स्ट ट्रस्ट, सेकंड ग्रोथ, थर्ड बिलोंगिंग, फोर्थ इंडिपेंडेंस. गेस द राइट आंसर. Right answer is option number 3. Listener, a self-help group are successful because they support a basic human need for acceptance, a feeling of comfort and safety, and a sense of belonging may be achieved in non-judgmental, supportive sharing experience with others. Option number 1 and 2 are saying Alcohol Anonymous may not meet this need. Option number 4 saying Alcohol Anonymous meet dependency need rather than focusing on independence. जो एल्कोहल का आदी पेशेंट है वो डिपेंडेंट हो जाएगा इंडिपेंडेंस के ज्यादा. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का क्या पर्पज है? सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप हैव द पर्पज टू प्रोवाइड द बिलोंगिंग टू द alcoholic patient and feel the comfort and safety, and he can share his problems and ideas. Question number 7. A daughter of Chinese speaking client approached a nurse and asked multiple questions while maintaining direct eye contact. What culturally related concept does the daughter behavior reflect? एक डिफरेंट कल्चरली पेशेंट चाइनीज स्पीकिंग क्लाइंट है तो डायरेक्ट आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन कर रहा है, तो उस कल्चरली रिलेटेड कंसेप्ट के लिए कौन सा बिहेवियर इफेक्टिव है, रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है? प्रिजुडियस, स्टीरियोटाइपिंग, एलिमिनेशन, एथेनोसेंट्रिक. प्रिजुडियस मींस बिलीफ, स्टीरियोटाइपिंग सेल्फ थॉट्स, एलिमिनेशन accept the other culture, ecocentric give importance only self culture. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 3, assimilation. It carrying the different culture patient, then the involve other culture is the assimilation. Assimilation involves incorporating the behavior of dominant culture. Maintaining eye contact is characteristic of the American culture and not Asian culture. Prejudice is a negative belief about another person or group that does not characterize this behavior. Stereotypic is the perception that all members of group are alike. Ethnocentric is the perception that one belief are better than those of others. Question number 8. A nurse manager works on a unit where the nursing staff members are uncomfortable taking care of clients from cultures that are different from their own. How should the nurse manager address this situation? एक नर्सिंग मैनेजर एक नर्सिंग स्टाफ को डिफरेंट कल्चर पेशेंट असाइन कर रहा है, बट nursing staff is uncomfortable. इस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के लिए कैसे हैंडल करेगी नर्सिंग मैनेजर? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, assign article about various culture so that they can become more knowledgeable. Relocate the nurses to unit where they will not have to care for client from a variety of culture. Rotate the nurses assignments so they have an equal opportunity to care of clients from other cultures. Plan a workshop that offer opportunity to learn about the cultures they may encounter while at work. Guess the right answer. Right answer, option number 4. Rational. A workshop provides an opportunity to discuss cultural diversity. This should include identification of one's own feeling. Also, it provides an opportunity for participants to ask questions. डिफरेंट कल्चर को समझने के लिए नर्सिंग मैनेजर को एक वर्कशॉप प्लान करना होगा जिससे उस कल्चर की रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन नर्सिंग स्टाफ एंड द nurse working on this patient can understand and ask the questions. Option number 1 is saying, although this will provide information, it is not promote a discussion with the topic. Option number 2 is saying, this is not feasible and desirable. Clients from other culture are found in all settings. The probability will increase tension on the unit. Question number 9. The nurse is teaching a parenting class. What should the nurse suggest? Should the nurse suggest about managing the behavior of young school age child? एक नर्स पेरेंटिंग क्लास के टीचिंग के लिए कौन सा यंग स्कूल एज चाइल्ड का बिहेवियर सजेस्ट करेगी? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, अवॉइड आंसरिंग क्वेश्चंस, गिव द चाइल्ड ए लिस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस, be consistent about established rules, allow the child to plan the day activities. Guess the right answer. Right answer is option number 3, rational. Because of a short attention span and distractibility, consist limit setting is essential toward providing an environment that promotes concentration, prevent confusion and minimize conflict. Option number 1, question should be answered but the answer should not be judgmental. Option number 2 is saying a list of expectation may be overwhelming at this age. Option number 4, parents need to assist children with routine tasks. Children this age may not be concerned with time frames. School age children has the character of short attention span and distractibility. Then, to solve this, the nurse should limit the working area and limit the environment. Question number 10. A nurse in the health clinic is counseling a college student who was recently diagnosed with asthma. On aspect of care should the nurse focus? एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को अस्थमा डायग्नोस हुआ है, उसके एस्पेक्ट ऑफ केयर को समझने नर्स किस पे फोकस करेगी? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, टीचिंग हाउ टू मेक ए रूम एलर्जी फ्री. ऑप्शन नंबर 2, रेफरिंग टू ए सपोर्ट ग्रुप फॉर इंडिविजुअल विद अस्थमा. अरेंजिंग विद द कॉलेज टू इंश्योर ए स्पीडी रिटर्न टू क्लासेस. ऑप्शन नंबर 4, इवेल्युएटिंग whether the necessary lifestyle changes are understood. Guess the right answer. Right answer is S1, option number 4, rational. Understand the disorder and detail of care are essential for the client to be confident. Option number 1 saying, although this is important, a perceived understanding of need for specific intervention must be expressed before there is a readiness for learning. Option number 2, this is premature, this may be done eventually. Option number 3 saying, although this is important, involving the college should be client decision. This question is important based on based on nursing process. Nursing process. Nursing process is consider 5 aspects. First, assessment. Second, planning, diagnose, intervention, evaluation. हमें सब इन ऑप्शन में पहले देखना होगा असेसमेंट ऑप्शन है, नहीं है तो उसको क्रॉस कर देंगे। इसके बाद प्लानिंग नहीं है तो उसको रिमूव कर देंगे, डायग्नोस नहीं है तो उसको कट कर देंगे, इंटरवेंशन नहीं है तो उसको कट कर देंगे, लास्ट इवेल्युएशन। देन ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज इवेल्युएशन, राइट। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। दोस्तों इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन दबाना नहीं भूलना, ताकि आप नए नए वीडियो अपने ईमेल आईडी पे अपडेटेड रिसीव कर सकें। दोस्तों इस दुनिया में सक्सेस होने के लिए एक ही मेन इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था, उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक लक्ष्य प्राप्त नहीं कर लेते हो। आपको तब तक मेहनत करनी है जब तक कि आप एक नर्सिंग ऑफिसर नहीं बन जाते या आपका किसी पीजी एग्जाम में सिलेक्शन नहीं हो जाता, चाहे आप कहीं से भी स्टडी करें। थैंक्स, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद, जय भारत।